Facebook family, hello, hello. Unique Anick here, coming on live to share pearls of wisdom and juicy invitation. Without lipstick on my teeth, there you go. Little vampire tooth there. All right, here we go. It's organic lipstick. Unique Anick organic lipstick. So here we go. I do some work online and I do some work in person now, which is really fun. And lately I've done an amazing voice activation on speaking your truth, knowing your truth, speaking your truth. Because a lot of us are really scared of what other people gonna think of us. And, I'm gonna make it wrong. I'm wrong. The fear of being wrong, the fear of what other people think of you when you show up, when you're visible, when you express your truth, when you express your desires. We've been conditioned to actually give our power away to the external world, to people outside ourselves. That's the conditioning, especially us women. It's like we put everyone else first, and then we're the last one on the list. That's human conditioning, and working with me, you rewire that for something completely 360 degrees, at 360 degrees, and you actually come back and choose yourself first. You come back first because you don't want to be the last one on the list. So basically, voice activation, we're going to play with our voice. We're going to release sound because it really helps the nervous system to relax, to soften. It juices you up. So we're definitely going to play with our singing voice, with our sounds. But at the same time, what's really unique with Anick is there's a component of the voice activation where there's transformational work as your communication, how you communicate and what you communicate, and to boost your self-confidence, to boost your self-esteem and your self-worth. So that you feel free. You feel free in your voice. You feel free to speak what you want to express, speak your truth, and go for what you want in life. Ask for what you really want. And so the last voice activation at Bhav in Cronulla, beautiful yoga studio, where there was about 20 of us, amazing conscious women. On the top of it, you're going to make friends. You're going to connect with your tribe, with your soul family. It was at Bhav Yoga Studio in Cronulla, an amazing group of women. We played, we danced, we sang, and I did an amazing sound healing at the end with my crystal ball. Singing was just channeled, like amazing to integrate all the learning of the workshop. And the lady said it was too short and sweet. It was 2 hours, so they wanted more. So this time around, we go for 4 hours together. So half of a day with a beautiful pose in the middle for hugs and chats and teas and nibbles. And we take a tea pose for sure in the middle. And this time around, we talk about raising your standards, to ask for more, to more money, more upgrade at work, more juiciness in your intimacy, asking for what you truly desire and asking for more, as opposed to settle for crumbs, as opposed to sit in the back seat with fear, with shame, with guilt, and with this annoying voice of doubt in your head that goes, I'm not good enough, I don't know enough, I can't ask for this, because I've learned to sit and be the pretty girl and a nice girl and the people pleaser and not going for it. So that's what we're gonna delete, cancel, erase, throw in the fire. And it's time to delete, cancel, erase that voice of doubt, that little one that keeps you safe in the corner, and that stops you raising your standards, speaking your truth, and taking space, going for what you want. The juiciness, the fun, the money, the raise at work, the clients you want to work with, the lifestyle that you really, really crave and desire. So enough crumbs. Let's come and raise your vibration, raise your standards, and come and play with your voice. Voice activation, raise your standards. Amazing, amazing, amazing workshop in person. And early bird tickets is on now until the 27th of August. So just a few more days. So I want you to get your early bird. So I'll put the link down below. Come and play. Hey Suzanne, hey Bernard. Hello, hello, beautiful friends. Come and play with us at Bhav Yoga Studio, Cronulla, in person, face to face, with an amazing group of conscious humans. Voice activation, raise your standards on the 10th of September. It's a Sunday afternoon. We start at 11:30 a.m. till 3:30 p.m. So we go together for half of a day. Voice activation, come and play. If you love using your voice, if you love moving your body, if you want more in your business, more in your life, and you're ready to raise your standards and elevate your vibration and communicate in a way that feels true to you, and really delete, cancel this people pleaser that keeps you settling for crumbs. No more of that. It's time for empowering yourself, speak your truth, and really embody, because we do a lot of embodiment practices with the voice, with the body. So super fun. Come and play with us, come and connect, and get your early bird tickets. A few more days till the 27th of August. And the voice activation is happening at beautiful Chris's Bhav Yoga Studio. It's going to be amazing. 10th of September, Sunday. Come and play. Any questions, send me a DM or, hashtag replay below the video. Any question you have, please reach out. We'd love to have you there. We're going to have lots of fun. I will share some testimonials. I mean, the ladies last time in July, they just adored, loved, they were over the moon. Like, I only had great feedback of that voice activation. It's a different way to do some transformational work and to really play with your sound and your singing voice. It's really unique and really fun. All right, all my love, beautiful humans. Thanks for watching. Bye for now. See you there. 10th of September. Bye.